Hello and welcome to MarineMax and Stuart. My name is Brian McGlenn. Today we're going to give you a quick walkthrough of a new brokerage listing located here in Stuart. This is a 2021 Grady White 285 Freedom powered with twin 300 Yamahas and about 300 engine hours. This is one of the most well-maintained boats I've ever seen. Definitely the cleanest 3-year-old boat on the market. All engine service is completely up to date. The boat stays fully covered and is washed professionally every couple weeks. We do have a custom 3-piece cover, so we have a windshield cover, a bow cover, and a cockpit cover. The hull sides are in perfect condition, not a single scratch, no oxidation. Same with the top side gel coat and all the upholstery. As we walk into the boat, we have a port side dive door, which leads us into the cockpit. Nice spacious cockpit, plenty of rod holders for fishing, but this boat does convert to cruising mode very quickly with a pull-out bench seat and a convertible starboard side lounger that extends into the cockpit. So this is a powered seat and our power button is right there. This will extend back a couple feet into the cockpit area. Here in the transom, we have a starboard side dive ladder. And again, powered with twin 300 Yamahas, always kept covered. The engine cowlings are in perfect shape. You have a battery charging system. Here along the transom, we have a fish box, ice cooler, drink cooler, or storage for your fenders and lines. Just next to that, we do have a live well. As I touched on earlier, this boat is in literally new condition. As you can see, all the stainless looks awesome. All the upholstery looks beautiful. Same with all the decking. This boat shows much better in person than it does online. It is literally in perfect condition. Starboard side, utility center. So we have a sink, refrigerator, and a nice prep station. We have a large fiberglass hardtop, life jacket storage up above. We do have the optional isinglass package to enclose the gap between the windshield and the hardtop. Upgraded electronics, so we have a large Garmin display, Garmin VHF, Yamaha display for your engine data, digital throttle and shift, and electronic steering. Nice spacious head compartment. We have the bow cushion stored inside here. As you can see, these are in great condition. And we do have our marine head underneath. As we walk up to the bow, we have nice spacious bow seating, windlass anchor. Again, beautiful boat. We'd love to tell you more about it or show you it in person. Please give us a call. My name is Brian McGlenn at MarineMax and Stuart. You can reach me directly at 561-635-6811. Thank you for watching.